Hi, this is Steve Landau from Touch Graphics in New York City. You may have recently received a holiday card with pictures of the Concorde supersonic aircraft. You may have noticed that the images are presented on the card in both tactile and visual form. So in addition to looking at the printed pictures of Concorde, you can also feel the contours of its sculpted form. And you can listen to the card with the help of a talking tactile pen. I can use the pen as a description probe, and as I explore the image with my hands, I can tap the pen on the picture to find out about the image that I'm exploring. So let's see how that works. I'll start by just touching the image, and I've got my pen here. And when I find something that interests me, I can just touch it. And what I'm going to hear first is an overview of the entire picture.
The first supersonic airliner, the graceful Concorde, flew thousands of passengers at twice the speed of sound for over 25 years. Air France and British Airways jointly inaugurated Concorde service in 1976. The aircraft could carry up to 100 passengers and catered to a first-class clientele. It could cross the Atlantic in less than 4 hours, twice as fast as a conventional jetliner.
Okay, let's see what happens if I continue.
Wings, top.
Now I tapped again and it said wings, top. And I heard a chime sound.
Wings, top.
So I touch again.
In the top view, the wings appear as large smooth triangular regions on either side of the fuselage.
Tap again.
Concorde's wings appear to be very simple in shape, but the need to provide adequate lift at slow speeds during landing and takeoff, while minimizing drag during supersonic flight, led to a very sophisticated design. Wings, top. In the top view, the wings appear as large smooth triangle. Concorde's wings appear to be very simple in shape, but the nose,
Here's the nose.
The pointy nose can be found on the right side of the top view of the Concorde. Concorde has a unique, droop nose design. Because of its steep angle of attack at takeoff and landing, Concorde's nose cone pivots downward to improve pilots' ability to see the runway and other ground conditions.
Very interesting. So now if I tap it again, it just says nose again. And now if I tap some of these other things, I should be able to hear what they are too.
Main landing gear. Side. The main landing gear appears as two small circles below the fuselage in the side view of Concorde.
Cool. So there you have it. That's our holiday card using the Talking Tactile Pen as a description probe to tell you all kinds of cool things about Concorde. Now, as you can see, this is a pretty powerful tool, and it's very portable and very easy to do and to use and very intuitive. And as I hope it's obvious, there's tons of different kinds of pictures that you could make accessible with this tool. And we've been working with a variety of education, museum, and transit organizations to produce materials that work with the Talking Tactile Pen. So thanks very much for listening, and best wishes for a healthy and optimistic 2012.